Welcome to Advanced Cleaning Systems, Commercial Cleaning Services. St. Joseph Mo Commercial Cleaning and Janitorial Services. Advanced Cleaning Systems Commercial Cleaning Services is a local company with more than 30 years of experience. They offer janitorial services such as sanitizing and carpet cleaning, waxing, polishing, commercial cleaning services, janitorial services and floor polishing. Advanced Cleaning Systems, a professional clean for your home or office. We are ready to take any cleaning challenge. Office cleaning. Advanced Cleaning Systems is the right choice for office cleaning if you are a St. Joseph Mo business owner or manager. Advanced Cleaning Systems provides janitorial services like office floor cleaning, workspace cleaning, co-working space cleaning. Advanced Cleaning Systems is available to help you as soon as possible. Hard surface cleaning. Call Advanced Cleaning Systems today to get a hassle-free janitorial services cleaning estimate. We believe you should spend less on cleaning your business and more time focusing on running your business. Carpet cleaning. Our custom carpet cleaning programs are tailored to address high traffic areas that require professional cleaning services. You can also include common areas or high-touch cleaning in your daily cleaning services. Janitorial services. We have a complete line of building maintenance services. Office cleaning, janitorial services, carpet cleaning, hard surface floor care, stripping, and waxing tile floors, window cleaning, carpet cleaning, grout cleaning, and upholstery cleaning. You name it. We do it. Concrete floor polishing. Advanced Cleaning Systems professional polishing services offer professional diamond polishing of sealed concrete floors. We provide various floor maintenance services to keep your business premises clean, healthy, and safe. Window cleaning. We will show you that it's an art and a craft that should be admired. We clean all interior and exterior glass surfaces using the latest methods and technology. Pressure washing. Using our low-pressure soft wash cleaning method, we can effectively remove mold, mildew and dirt safely buildings, houses, awnings and more. Maid services. You will love having a clean house. Advanced Cleaning Systems employees will arrive at your doorstep and do everything from vacuuming, mopping, and cleaning bathrooms. Commercial cleaning services. One of the most important things for any company is to offer cleanliness and professionalism to employees. Advanced Cleaning Systems commercial cleaning services are a boon to property owners who want to maintain a clean and professional office space. They can take care of all your commercial needs, not just keeping your flooring spotless but taking care of any other kind of mess that may have accumulated in your office. Think heavy dust on walls, ceilings, window sills, or cobwebs on the corners of your ceiling. Contact Advanced Cleaning Systems to receive a no-obligation, easy, and hassle-free quote for commercial cleaning. Call us at 816-364-6900 or visit our website at axcleans.com.